Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm going to be doing 3 computer updates this time. Starting off with the Toshiba Satellite A505-S6960, which is the black Toshiba laptop that I normally use. That's my main computer. I'm going to share you a few things. Yeah, it's still in good condition. The only bad things are... I'm going to talk about the bad things that's going on with it. As you see right here, see where the indicator lights are? You can tell that the paint is starting to deteriorate. Yeah, and some of my stickers were starting to come off. Well, that ain't nothing big, cause it don't bother me with the stickers on them. You can tell my Windows Vista sticker is starting to fade a little bit right there on the letters. And I actually replaced the keyboard a while back. You can tell some of the keys look bent, but they don't, because the camera is picking up. You can tell that 5 key, it looks a little bent right there, and you can tell the R and the T. But that ain't nothing big. Yeah, at least they still work. One time this key button gets stuck, but they do get stuck sometimes. Cause yesterday the C button on my keyboard was like stuck. It was like that. Let me show you what I had to. Right here, the original battery that was in this laptop had died, because it told me that when I was on the computer last week, it said, "Oh, you need to replace your battery." So I took the one out of the other 2009 Toshiba, which only gives me like about an hour, and this battery is also on its way out. And I ain't been using much of this I still use this laptop. As long as it works. I still got the 4 gigabytes of RAM and the 500 gigabyte hard drive in here. It's been working okay. And sometimes when I turn it on, it only happened like twice. I heard the fans make a noise, and nothing would come up onto the screen. Then I turn it back on, then everything seemed to work fine. Now we're going to be talking about this guy, the custom build. So far I never even had a problem with this computer. This computer's been working just fine. I took those crappy compact speakers they decided not to work properly because they had bad wiring. So I decided to replace them with my good old Sony headphones, and I moved the tower up here from where it used to be right there, and I put it up here. And I still got the wireless stick to get on the internet, and I decided to hook up a webcam so I could do voice calls with Skype. I can even do video chatting. But the only bad thing with this computer, if you cannot plug a lot of USB devices, because if you plug in a lot of USB devices, it'll reboot for no apparent reason. Because it happened before. That's why I think the previous owners got rid of it, because it kept rebooting on them. It's not the operating system, it's something with the ports. But if I unplug one or any other USB devices on this computer, then I'm able to use that USB port. So far, the CD drive is still working good. So I'm going to go over to the Dell Dimension C521. Now I'm at the Dell Dimension C521. This is my other good computer, which never had a problem. So far I gave it some upgrades. I replaced the original CD and DVD drive. I put this one that came out of a 2012 E-Machines that had a bad motherboard that I scrapped because the owner of that E-Machines, she didn't feel like wasting money getting it fixed or anything, so she bought a better computer. And I also took some RAM stick out of another computer she had, which had two 512 sticks, and I threw them in here. So therefore this computer got 3 gigabytes of RAM, and replaced the webcam. the webcam that was on is on the custom built computer. So therefore this computer's been working pretty good. But I don't have them on right now because it's going to take so long to boot up. Because I'll add the specifications of the computers in my description for y'all to see them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And actually this computer's still working good. I even got an extra motherboard in case if this one goes bad, because it's picked up. So if you have any comments or concerns and want about these computers, you can just PM me or send me put a comment on my videos, and I could probably be able to do a video on one of them. So ciao.